My reload bench is probably not the best spot for an unboxing video right now. It's a mess. I got all kinds of things going on, but let's see what's in the box anyhow. Little case. It's in the case. As I get all the dirt from the range all over it. Oh, looky there. It's a little camera that I got off Amazon. As I figure out how to work the camera and maybe learn how to use a tripod better, I'm going to have better equipment than a cell phone camera, which is what I'm using right now. Yeah, after I figure out how to work it, maybe I'll do a little video on it. So here's what came in the case. The camera itself was actually in this waterproof enclosure. It's just got a simple latch. It was easy to open. Easy to open and get the camera out. The camera had a battery in it, and it looked like it had a full charge, but I went ahead and I got out the charger and cord and hooked it up. And it said to charge for 5 hours. I charged it for about 7.5. It comes with a second battery, so I took that out of a little plastic bag, put that in the camera. So actually this is the one that was in it to begin with, and charged that for about 9.5 hours. I went ahead and when I ordered this from Amazon, I got a micro SD card, a 64 gigabyte micro SD card that's already in. So you can see where the charging port is. It's just a little spring-loaded, if I can do this on camera, port for the micro SD. Of course, get my hand right in the way of the shot. Ta-da! Right, so can't see what I'm doing. I'm wondering if recording with this will be easier than using this phone. And there you go, it's in place. Real simple, power button. Why didn't it come on? Ta-da! There we go. So now it's time to go shoot some videos and test it out. I don't think my evaluation video will be as professional as some other reviews, but we'll give it a try and see how it does. In these accessories here, I think it's got stuff to mount to a motorcycle or mountain bike handlebars, and it's got stuff for attaching to a helmet. I think to the chin piece of the helmet. There's a lot more stuff in this pouch here. I'm gonna just have to mess around with it and see what I can do and decide whether or not I want to try to mount it to my helmet or the handlebars, or how I want to do this. I would like to mount it to the helmet. We'll see how it goes. The waterproof or water resistant case, that would probably come in real handy for if I was riding and it started raining or something like that, but I don't have any intentions on trying to do any underwater work, but maybe I will just to test it out. Who knows? We'll see how that goes. But yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff here, and fidgeting, fumbling around, and trying to get it all back in there. We'll just fool around with it off camera, and I'll come back with something. So here's a screenshot from Amazon showing the camera. One of the first things I did when I put it through its paces was I attached it to my motorcycle helmet. I put it down by the chin, and I kept trying to adjust it and adjust it and adjust it, and I never quite got it right. Even though I was looking forward the camera was always looking down, and it's something that I want to improve the next time I try to attach a camera to my helmet. But you can see I'm looking forward, and you can see the road. I took it over to Comerica Park where the Detroit Tigers play, and I wanted to test it out and see how well it shot video. It wasn't too bad, but when I got there, you could see a couple people were real curious about my camera. Congratulations, you're on YouTube.
It's a little camera. Fitfort. Everybody keeps saying it's a GoPro, but it's not. It's just a little $40 camera off Amazon.
Really?
I mount it to my motorcycle helmet.
Oh, there you go.
And you bring it into Comerica.
Another place I tested the camera was at a concert. We're at an open-air amphitheater sitting on the edge of the covered pavilion. The audio's good, the video's good, but I did have issues. The one and only battery I had with me during the concert drained because twice it turned on inside of my cell phone pouch. Great view of utter blackness. So there's just too many problems with this camera. I can't read the screen. I can't see what I'm filming. It's time for it to go. So I contacted Amazon and I got a return label emailed to me. So I went ahead and printed it up, packaged everything back up, took it down to the local UPS center where the sign on the outside of the building says no filming, so I naturally took pictures. And I shipped it back. And Amazon gave me a full credit, and I used that credit towards getting another camera that looks the same, but supposedly it's different. So hopefully I'll have better luck with that.